This is a 2020 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special Edition. This is an awesome bike. It is billiard blue with white and red pinstripes. The white stripe down the middle of it just really sets off the billiard blue. And then it has a black factory finish, which basically means the wheels, engine guard, engine cases, front end, everything that was chrome is blacked out now from the factory. This bike is in excellent condition and very nicely accessorized. From the factory, it comes with extended bags that wrap around the exhaust. It has the Harley Davidson detachable backrest for the passenger. The stock seat has been swapped out with a Mustang custom seat. A lot more comfortable, a lot better looking. And then it has the Mustang backrest for the rider. Being the special model, it has the security system with the fob, ABS brakes, painted inner fairing. It has the GTS boom stereo, AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth, GPS navigation. A lot of information can be gathered on this bike through the GTS Info Center. Nice custom Harley mirrors. A Willie G black fuel door has been added. Being the special, it has the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. This bike has plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque. Get you down the road and power to pass up and over the hill with you and your passenger and all your gear. Made it to a 6-speed transmission, which has the overdrive and of course cruise control. Nice black short arm Harley highway pegs have been added. And then the Harley Davidson covers for the engine guard. And you can take those on and off very easily. They're great for when you hit rain, inclement weather, or if it's cool, for fall or winter riding. Black front end. Nice custom black Harley wheels. This is just a great looking bike. I really love the color combination on it. Now this bike has 8,287 original miles on the odometer, and the tires have been replaced, so you're good to go. The stock windshield's been replaced with a Clockworks tinted flare windshield. Give you a little bit better wind protection than a stock one. Of course, dual LED headlights that really light up the road at night. Smoke turn signals. Nice paint job on the tank. Now, black slip-on mufflers have been added to it, and I'm probably not going to say the name right of what they are, so I'll just show you. As they have a great sound. So that's what they are. You can look them up online. They sell a lot of really nice Harley accessories and exhaust. Now, if you're in the market for a new Road Glide, take a real good look at this 2020 Road Glide Special Edition. Great paint job, blacked out finish, all the right accessories, really comfortable Mustang seat. For information on how to put this beautiful Road Glide Special Edition in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Now, our prices are out the door. I don't charge any of the mystery fees. You all know what I'm talking about there. Give us a call, and we'll see if we can put you on this beauty. Thanks.